Hi Ashrita, how are you, ma?
I'm good, Miss Priya. How are you?
Good. So how was Mitransh? I want to talk to your mom. Okay. So wait, let me note down certain things. Okay. Um, and coming to Ashrita, I'm just working on who's going to do what as well, ma. Okay. So you will be doing AP Pre-Calc, right?
Yes.
Okay, Keura, Srishti, Sahana. Sahana, I know a little bit. I know Srishti is going to do algebra. She's going to do algebra 2 next year, right? Okay. Keura, what is your plan, ma?
Um, I'm my video's off because I'm eating right now, but
No problem. No problem. I just want to know your. Thanks for letting me know, though. But what is your plan next year? What are you going to do? Now I know you're doing ahead, but what are you going to do next year?
I'm double blocking geometry and algebra too. So I'm doing it at the same time in school.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, you're in Frisco ISD, huh?
Plain honesty.
Oh, Plano ISD. Oh, I see. Okay, let me note down. Double blocking geometry and algebra 2. Ah, it is going to be very heavy, right? You understand that?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's why in summer I'm gonna do a crash course in geometry.
Okay, okay, I'll talk to your mom. Where's your sister studying? Which grade is she in? Your mom had pinged me. Which grade is she in?
She's in fifth grade, going to sixth grade.
Oh, fifth going to sixth. Okay, okay. She's in Math Rocks, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Okay. Sahana, okay, I know something about you. That's fine. How is it going, Ma Sahana?
Uh, uh, we have our test on probability tomorrow.
Oh, that's the last test, right? Oh, 18th. Okay. Have you revised well, Ma?
Yeah, I'm gonna finish the PDF today.
Okay, let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay,
Whatever questions you have, just message me.
okay.
And Mahir, what are you going to do next year?
I'm going into pre-calc next year.
Uh, is it AP pre-calc or honors pre-calc, Ma, for you in your ISD?
Honors pre-calc.
Honors pre-calc. There's no AP pre-calc?
There's an AP pre-calc, but
You're taking this?
Mhm.
Okay. Can I talk to your mom sometime?
Yeah.
Okay, let me note down. Okay, I'll have to talk to your mom, okay? Yeah, Ashrita, I know. Sahana, okay. Okay, guys, so let's move on. But so very different when you go up, so different. Sunday. Okay, did you have any questions on the homework?
No.
We did not do piecewise functions yet, I know, but I did not assign homework. Nobody asked this time. Okay. Did you? Are you good with the radians and stuff, guys? Good with radians and stuff? Okay. So can I go to piecewise functions? So let me quickly check on that once and then I'll go. How about this? Find all good terminal angles. Okay, let's. How about this? Quickly, if you can do that for me, I'll go to piecewise functions next. I don't know if we have. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I just want to do whatever I can before we end this class. So let's see. Piecewise functions, it's good to know piecewise functions. How about this? Write all the coterminal angles of this. Write all the coterminal angles of this. This won't come till your third unit of pre-calc. Okay, that is also there.
Miss Priya,
Are
what?
we in geometry? Isn't this a geometry class? Didn't we do the algebra?
Sorry. Yes. I'm utterly confused. Yes, thanks. Wait. See, Ashrita, you confuse me a lot because you're there in both, right? So honestly, I thought, okay, wait. Let me then. I have to see. I was only looking at this class, even before the class. Okay, so hold on then. You're going to give me 1 minute, guys, because I was looking only at this class, what was pending and all that stuff. Geometry Friday. Yeah, Geometry Friday covered more. Okay. Okay, what are you doing, Srishti, in class?
In school,
Uh,
we're doing probability.
you're doing, okay. Are you done?
Yeah, we have our semester exam on Monday and then we're done. We did theoretical and experimental probability and then geometric.
That's all?
Yeah.
Conditional probability?
Yeah. Isn't that just theoretical?
I can't say like that. Okay. Anyway, let me see now. Okay, did they cover mutually exclusive, the mutually exclusive, mutually non-exclusive events?
No.
Okay, let's go ahead with this. Let's see. Meaning this was a question in the acceleration exam. Okay, this was one of the toughest. That's what one kid said. So I really want to understand how many of you do this. Okay, I know I want to cover only algebra 2 basic functions, right? That was the plan for today. So let's see. Mr. Lewis' class was given 2 tests. Mr. Lewis' class, 21% of the students passed. There's a mistake in the way he wrote it. Passed both of the tests, and 67% of the class passed the first test. If the student passed the first test, what is the probability that he or she also passed the second test? I'm going to wait. I'm going to let you do. This is based on conditional probability. You get it? I got 3 answers. That's nice. Yeah, ma. Yes, all 3 are right. Sahana, nice Sahana. Did you get it, Mahir? Did you get it?
Not yet.
Keyura, where are we? So this is based out of condition probability. I'm going to explain quickly because it's...
Yeah, could you explain it quickly?
Yeah. So... Okay, great. Okay, so this is based out of conditional probability. Let's define the events. What is A, what is B? Okay, what is given from the question I'm going to form? What is the probability? Mitranj, did you get it? Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, literally. Thanks. Yes, Mitranj, that's right. So I'll go with the events first. What is the probability that he or she also pass the second test? So passing second test is A. Given that he passed the first test, so passing the first is B. So we are going to write this P of A and B happening, passing first test and second test happening, P of A first, passing the first test, times P of B given A has occurred, right? A has occurred, passing the, okay, so basically, I did it the other way, right? Okay, if the student passed the first test, the student already passed the first test, right? So let me just make a change. Given A has occurred, so let me put it as passing first and passing second test. Okay, so in this case, right, why I did that, passing first, given that A has occurred, so that's what they've given. So the student passed the first test, right? So 21% of the class passed both the test, right? And 67% passed the first test. We don't know this. This is what we need to find. So P of P given A has occurred will be 21 by 100 divided by 67 by 100. 21 by 100 times 100 by 67, which is 21 by 67, which is 31.34%. Any questions? Keyura, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, and what other questions? Okay, do you all remember about these were the ones that came up in acceleration that kids said they don't remember that we have dealt with. Do you all remember rotational reflectional symmetry?
Yes.
Rotational symmetry, order and magnitude, do you all remember? How to find the order and magnitude in rotation. See, these all will again come. That's why I want to make sure you all remember these. Rotational, reflectional symmetry, line of reflection. How many line of reflection? Let's try this one out. How many lines of reflection does a parallelogram have? How many lines of symmetry does a parallelogram have? Think about it and tell me. First you tell me does a square have? Okay. The second question you can answer for a parallelogram. For an equilateral triangle you can answer the second one. Okay. Then you can answer for a hexagon, regular hexagon. Then you can answer for a parallelogram. All the 4 questions in chat. How many lines of symmetry do they have? See, these are the questions that came up in acceleration, but kids found it, we didn't know this. Do you get the answers for these? Hey, if I upload a SAT practice book, right, the basic fundamental practice book for algebra and geometry, would it help all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it in the classroom. Let it be a year-end thing. Okay, please, whenever time permits, go through the problems. Practice. That will be the first basic book that you can do. Okay, it's not completely, you cannot completely rely on that. If you want to really practice, go for if you're going to write PSAT 8, 9, if you're going to write PSAT 9, 10, right, go for a book like Princeton Review, Kaplan or Barron's for that particular exam that you're taking, that only the latest book. Don't buy used books because they don't give you the real picture of what the next upcoming test is. So go for the latest book which has been published within a month or within a month of taking the exam. Then only you'll know the right format that's going to come. So go for the book and then practice the 2 or 3 papers inside it. That's more than enough. That is correct, Keyura. First one is correct. Dhruv correct. Oh wow, Dhruv correct. Nice. Wow, Mahir correct, ma. Oh, I think this is so easy on you guys. Okay, Mitransh correct. Okay, I'll help. Second one is not correct, ma, Keyura. Ashrita correct. Okay, let me go ahead and explain this quickly. I got the most of the answers, so let's see. So here we go. How many lines of symmetry does a square have? Square is a 4-sided figure, right? All sides are equal. So vertical line, horizontal line, these are symmetry lines. And then the diagonal lines are also symmetry. So 4-sided square. Regular quadrilateral has 4 lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle has 3 sides, all are equal. So that has 3 lines of symmetry. How? This is a line of symmetry. This is a... Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. Okay. This is a line of symmetry and this is a line of symmetry. Keyura, did that explain to you?
Yeah.
For a hexagon, then how many lines of symmetry does it have? Can you tell me?
Like 8.
Hexagon, ma. Hexagon has how many?
Because it doesn't a hexagon have 6?
6 sides. So how many lines of symmetry?
So 6?
Yeah. It should have 6. How?
But what about the one in the middle?
One in the middle means? What is one in the middle?
You
One,
have like...
3. You have 3 lines of symmetry.
Oh, never mind.
4, 5, 6. Got
Never
it?
mind. Yeah.
A parallelogram does not have any lines of symmetry. This is a very tricky question. Why? Because if you do this, right, this side is not equal to this side always. Okay, this is the longer side, this is the short. If you do this, right, even if you split it halfway through, right, one side will be extra, one side will be smaller. Makes sense?
Okay.
So parallelogram will never have lines of symmetry. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what did I want to say? Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the parent functions thing, but that I need to go search. Okay, so algebra 2. I don't want to go into functional characteristics. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so I'm going to get started with basic functions. Hey, Ashrita, this might be a repeat for you, I feel, Ashrita.
That's fine.
Okay, so let's go ahead with a small function. Okay, we'll discuss some types of functions for you to get going with algebra 2. Okay, how about this? We'll discuss some characteristics as well. So maybe I'll give you some challenges, Ashrita, so that you're also challenged.
Okay.
Okay, how about this? Let's go with this with the easiest function first, okay? So I don't want to make it hard on you on the last day of the school year class. How about this? Here. In this, right? What is this function? Dhruv, you tell me. What is this function? Meaning, see, in algebra 2, what will happen is we will study so many functions, okay? We'll start with a linear function, okay? And then we'll go into a quadratic function again, but at a different level, guys, okay? Then we'll go to a cubic function, then we'll go to a square function, then we'll go to a square root function, okay? Then we'll go into cube root function. So many functions we are going to study. Okay. Then we'll go into rational function, and then we'll go into rational even function, rational odd function. So we'll study a ton of functions. Then we'll study exponential functions. Then we'll study logarithmic function. So there's much more to it. Okay. A short list is given here. Okay. So when we study function by function, right? So what we do in the summer is we'll study the transformation. Transformation, generally the generic concept we learn, okay, that will apply to every function as we move through the year. As we move through the year, once you understand the transformation piece, right, we will apply to linear, we'll apply to quadratic, we'll apply to cubic, square, square root, cubic, cube root, every function you will apply the transformation that we learned during the initial few weeks. Okay, so that is quite an important part of every function. Let's say we study one function every month. Okay, every function will have the transformation being applied to it. Okay, so there are some properties, meaning some properties are common to every function. Okay, so let's understand some of the properties of what is this function. Mitransh or Dhruv, you tell me what is the name of this function.
A linear function.
Linear.
Good. So that's a linear function. Okay. Now, this is a linear function. Now, what are the properties of this we are going to discuss? Okay. First, let me bring it up. You are going to answer these. Okay. Most of it you know, but some of it might be new. Okay. I want to discuss all of this. Okay. The name of this function is linear. Can you tell me the equation for this function? Can you tell me the equation for this function?
Y equals x.
Y equal to x. The domain of this function?
Infinity. X equals, I forgot what domain is.
Okay. See, domain refers to all possible x values.
So, negative infinity to infinity.
Yeah, we'll do one thing. There are three ways of denoting domain and range when you enter into algebra 2. Okay, I'm going to do only one today. Okay, meaning we will just write it out in interval notation. We will just write it out in interval notation because it's the easiest. Okay, or we'll just write it out in inequality notation. There are three notations, you don't have to worry. Okay, inequality notation means the lowest, the highest, and then if it's domain, you write the x. Okay, less than or equal to should not be used when infinity is coming into picture. Okay, now what is the range of this function? What is the range of this function?
The same thing.
Same thing, but what will come in between? Y, because all possible y values, right?
Yeah.
What are the possible y values? See, everywhere. Minus infinity to plus infinity y values are there, right? See, it goes till minus infinity to plus infinity. And coming to the symmetry of the function, right? Okay, now that is something you need to learn from a graph. Okay, suppose let's say this function, right, is it symmetric? Is it symmetric? You know a parabolic function is symmetric. This is symmetric. This is symmetric about what? Is there a line of reflection or point of reflection for this? Is there a line of reflection or a point of reflection?
Line.
Line of reflection. Good. Line of reflection is there. That is the y-axis, right? So it is symmetric about the y-axis. Okay. Now, there are a couple of important concepts coming up. Okay. Whenever a function is symmetric about the y-axis, you call it an even function. You call it an even function. Whenever a function is symmetric about a point, that's the origin, meaning click on this point, see, just flip it, you're able to flip it, right? So that is point of symmetry. You're able to flip it around the point. Here, you're able to flip it around that line. Just turn it, flip it. So whenever a function is symmetric about a point that is the origin, then it is an odd function. Whenever a function is symmetric about the y-axis, it's an even function. This concept is completely new to you. Okay, based on symmetry, from a graph, you define whether it is an even function or an odd function. Correct? So here we go. So okay, go ahead. What was the question? Any questions? Okay, the linear function, I would say, what symmetry does it have then? Linear function, what symmetry does it have? Huh? What symmetry does it have, linear function? Hmm?
Wait, how do you answer this? Do you say like vertical symmetry or anything?
Oh, nice. Okay. You can say around the y-axis or around the origin or no symmetry.
Around the origin.
Origin, okay. Yeah, around the origin because that's a point symmetry, right? So around the origin. So I will say it's an odd function. Okay. Now, coming to the x-intercepts. What are the x-intercepts? X-intercepts means wherever the line, the function, line is a function, right? Function cuts the x-axis or x-intercepts. What is that? 0, 0. What are the y-intercepts? 0, 0. That's the same. Y-intercept means the line cuts the y-axis at a point, right? That's the same point. Okay. Where are the zeros? Zeros are the x-intercepts, right? Now, coming to the interval of increasing. Which is the interval of increasing for this function? Which is the interval of increasing for this function? Which is the interval of increasing for this function? Guys, try guys. What is the interval of increasing?
2.
Why do you think it's 2?
Because the first point's at 0, 0, and the second one's at 2, 2. So wouldn't that increase by 2 on x and y?
Oh, exactly. So, interval of increasing. Take it from minus infinity to infinity. Does it decrease anywhere?
No.
Y value keeps on increasing. Do you see? So, interval of increasing is minus inf. See, how do I write the interval? Interval is always written with a parenthesis. Interval of increasing and interval of decreasing. There are some hard rules that we follow in algebra too. If you make a mistake in the parenthesis or square brackets, all you are penalized like anything in algebra too. So interval of increasing, decreasing will never have anything other than parenthesis. So it goes from minus infinity to infinity, it is increasing function. Nowhere it decreases. The line y value keeps on increasing. So you will always have a parenthesis and the lower limit, upper limit. Interval of decreasing is none because the function doesn't decrease at all. We are only considering y equal to x. We are not considering y equal to minus x. That's also a linear function. But that line is like this. That's a different function. This is not a parent function. Parent functions are some basic examples that we have. We'll study them as parent functions. Okay, the fundamental example of a line function. So that is y equal to x. We are not talking about the other line. Okay, this is the only line we are going to talk. We are not going to talk about this line. Now, everything we covered other than the asymptotes and end behavior. What are asymptotes? Asymptotes are lines. Let's say I have a graph like this. You know this graph, right? What is this graph? Do you all remember from Algebra 1?
Exponential.
Exponential. The exponential function, however, see, it goes on and on and on and on. It doesn't touch the x-axis, but it will look as if it's going to touch the x-axis, right? It will look as if it's going to touch the x-axis, but it never touches it, okay? It keeps on going. Nowhere it's going to touch. Okay, now I can say that this function, this exponential function, has a, what is the equation for the x-axis? Y equal to 0. So, the exponential function tries to merge with the x-axis whose equation is y equal to 0. So that line to which the function tries to merge is called the asymptote, right? Here, do you have an asymptote for a linear function?
No.
No, there are no asymptote for a linear function. Linear function does not merge with any horizontal or vertical line, does not try to merge with any horizontal or vertical line. So, linear function does not have any asymptotes. Coming to end behavior, right? End behavior means at the minus infinity point and the plus infinity point. When x equal to minus infinity, what is happening to the function? You have to say. When x is going to plus infinity, what is happening to the function? This is minus infinity. When x goes to plus infinity, what happens? So you'll write it like this. How do you write that? As x goes to minus infinity, what happens to the function? F of x goes to where? F of x goes to where?
Minus infinity.
Minus infinity. See, x goes to minus infinity, the function line goes to minus infinity. Srishti, are you following? Mitransh, are you following?
Yeah.
As x goes to infinity, what happens to f of x? As x goes to infinity, what happens to f of x? As x goes to infinity, what happens to f of x? X is going to infinity. What happens to f of x?
Positive infinity.
Yep, f of x goes to positive infinity. This is how you define end behaviors. You have to discuss both the scenarios. When x goes to minus infinity, what happens? When x goes to plus infinity, what happens to our graph? That is the end behavior. Any questions? Okay, can we try writing this for another function? We can try writing it for another function. Let's see. Yeah, this is an easy one. Yeah, let's try it for this one. What is this function? First of all, let's see. Sahana and Ashita, this may be a little repeat for you both, I feel. How about this? What is this function, guys? What is that?
0 or x equals 0.
Is this x equal to 0?
Wait. No.
X is applicable. These are the x points. Every x point has a value. But what is this? How do you write the equation of this line?
Oh wait, y equals 0. Because like
Y
equals
equals
4.
y equal to 4. Irrespective of the x value. X value can be anything from minus infinity to infinity. But y equal to 4 is the function. This is called as a constant function. Okay. Now let's come back to our properties. The problem is, it will be slightly frustrating initially because you have to write all of these for all the functions. So let's go ahead and try writing this for this function.
Are we sending these in chat?
Yes, ma'am. I'll put it in the Google Classroom. Let me see.
Wait, Miss Priya, would this be a linear function or no?
Would this be a?
Linear function.
It's a constant function, right?
Oh wait, sorry.
You got it?
Yeah.
Anybody has used Notebook LM? Nobody has used
Yeah, I use it for school.
Yeah,
it? Oh,
same.
you use it for school?
Yeah.
Who else uses it?
Me.
Wow. So teacher prepares it and puts it for you?
Yeah, they have all the materials in it, and then we just use it for studying.
So you ask questions and then study from it?
Yeah,
Unit by
and
unit or as a whole?
Flashcards.
What is it, ma?
We use the flashcards.
Oh, use the flashcard.
I use the like actual AI, and then there's also like quizzes on it too.
Quizzes, the teacher prepares it?
Yeah, like they can make quizzes on the thing.
Yeah. See, I'm planning to get that to you guys, but I just want to know how the school is using it. You see what I mean?
I use it for my AP Human Geography, and he did it unit by unit, and then when we had our AP test, he put it all together.
Oh, nice. Was it useful?
Yeah, I used it a lot.
Oh, unit by unit, huh?
Yeah.
For me, for AP Human, she does it for the vocab tests for each unit, and then for biology, she puts like just all the material in for that unit, and then like we can just study. Like if it's a lot of vocab for that unit, then she puts all the vocab in, then we can use them.
And you ask questions to it and study?
Yeah.
Okay. From summer, I'm planning to use it, but let me see. See, because kids under 13 cannot use it, I think. Let me see. Nice, guys. Thanks for the inputs. Really appreciate it. And you also take quizzes, Sahana, is it?
I don't think my teachers put quizzes on it.
Oh, I see. But Kayura, you use it, right? Plano ASD uses it, huh?
Yeah, that's what my age gap teacher
Okay,
did.
but tell me, the quizzes, right, are not graded, right?
Yeah, then I mean it gives you a score, but like it's not like a grade.
Graded, okay. See, that is the disadvantage I'm
Miss
finding.
Priya,
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
No, it gives you your score. It grades you depending on what you get right and wrong.
But it doesn't go into the. Sorry, Dhruv. Yeah, tell me, Dhruv.
For the range, it just 4 because the line isn't going anywhere other than 4.
Sorry, Dhruv. Yeah, you wanted to discuss this. Okay, Kayura noted. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. I'll just upload the book for you guys. The SAT workbook. That covers both Algebra 1, Algebra 2 as well. It touches, but just the fundamental. You have to use it only as a fundamental book, guys. Okay. I'm not putting a due date, but I will put it. 2024 edition is there. Okay. Okay, I added it to our Google Classroom. Okay, now coming back to our class, right? Okay, let me go ahead and write these down. So this is a constant function. Ashit, I want you to look at the book, see whether it is challenging you. Otherwise, I'll get you something that really caters to you.
Okay.
Coming to the equation, this is y equal to 4. Domain, what is the domain of this function? Who can tell me the domain? All possible x values. Tell me, guys.
Minus infinity less than x is less than
Agree. So the function really exists from minus infinity to infinity, right? So what is the range of that function?
4.
Good job, 4. The thing is, the x value can be anything for this function. When you think about it, x value for any x value. So domain is minus infinity to infinity. Oh, inequality notation I said, right? I have to write it as an inequality. Minus infinity less than x is less than infinity. Range is, the problem is only 4 is there, right? So what will you say about it? Y equal to 4, that's all. Nothing else is the range. Everywhere the y value is 4. Is it symmetric? Is it symmetric? That you are going to say. Is it symmetric? Is it symmetric? Mitranj, is it symmetric? I don't want you to be seeing something else. Is this function symmetric?
No.
It's symmetric in respect to the y-axis.
Yup, it is symmetric to the y-axis. So what type of function is it? Even, odd, or neither? If it is symmetric about y-axis, I told you, right? I gave you a definition. It's an even function if it's symmetric about something. Odd function if it is symmetric about something. Here it is symmetric about the y-axis. So what type of function is this?
Even.
Even. If it is symmetric about the origin, odd. Origin, odd. O. If it's symmetric about the origin, it's an odd function. Like that I remember. Now,
So if it's symmetric over the x-axis, it's neither.
yes, correct. If it is symmetric about the x-axis, is that a function?
No.
Yeah. Interval of increasing. Is there any interval of increasing?
No. 0.
None. Interval of decreasing?
None.
None. Yes, agree. Okay, zeros. Where are the zeros? I am not able to see the board properly. Give me 1 second exactly. Yeah. Yeah. None. Zeros. What are the zeros? What are the x-intercepts? Where does the function cut the x-axis?
It doesn't.
It doesn't. None. None. Where are the y-intercepts? What are the y-intercepts for this function? Where does the function
4.
cut the y-axis? Yes. 0,
No.
comma 4.
0, 4.
Do we have asymptotes?
No.
No. There are no asymptotes as it is. End behavior? Okay, let's write down. As x tends to minus infinity, what happens to the y value? Mitransh, you want to say, or Kayura, you want to say this? Or Mahir, you can try, or Sahana knows, I think. As x tends to minus infinity, what happens? Y value is what?
The y value stays the same.
Same and is equal to what?
Is equal to 4.
4. Yeah. As x tends to plus infinity, what happens?
It's the same thing, right?
Yep. So now you understand how I think you get the hang of how to write the properties of a function, correct? So we just learnt about two functions. One was a linear function, one was a constant function, correct? Okay, now what is this function, guys? I don't know whether you know this. Yeah, let's try this one. What type of a function is it? I'll give you the name if you're not sure about it. What type of a function is this? What is this function? Do you know the name of it?
Is it exponential?
What is it?
Isn't it exponential or squared?
Is it a square function? Will the negative side of the square? Oh, is it a square function?
Yeah, because like if you square -2, you get 4 or something like that.
Square function is this,
No,
right?
it's not. Never
Then
mind.
that's a parabola, right?
Yeah, it's a parabola. Wow.
This is a v. So what is this function? Okay. Yeah. What is v? Think about what will happen. See, let's mark out the points. Okay, you're going to guess. 0, 0 is a point. Then coming to, oh my gosh, -2 is a 2. -4 is a 4. 2 is a 2. What is this function? This is x and this is
Absolute value.
absolute value function. So how do I write the equation? This is the absolute value function.
It'd be y equals
Absolute value of
absolute
x.
value of x.
Yep. How about the domain?
X minus infinity and infinity and x in between.
Yeah, it goes from minus infinity less than x to infinity. What is the range, guys? The same thing. Minus infinity less than y less than... Hey, Srishti, you're keeping too quiet. I want you to tell about the symmetry, even, odd, or neither. Srishti?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't bug, you guys are not opening your mouth. Go ahead.
Isn't it odd?
It is...
Miss Priya, the y doesn't go into minus infinity.
Sorry. Yeah, this one, right? I made a mess here. Is this what you said, Dhruv?
Yeah, but y doesn't go to minus infinity for the range.
Sorry, Dhruv. Yeah, range is incorrect, right? What is the range? You tell me, what is the range?
Is 0. 0 is
Yeah,
less
0
than.
is the lowest point. 0 is less than y. 0. It goes from
Wait,
0.
is it less than equal to, or because like it's touching 0, so it
Good,
shouldn't.
very nice. Very nice. 0 is less than or equal to. These subtle things are so important. Very nice catch. So on the range, right, see the y-axis. What is the lowest point? 0. It touches 0. So there has to be a less than equal to, and it goes till infinity. When x is going to infinity, it also goes to infinity. So, but infinity can't have an equal to sign. Nice. Symmetry, even, odd, neither, Srishti, tell me. Is the function symmetric about anything?
Yeah, the origin, right?
Is it symmetric about the origin? Meaning, okay, I catch hold of the origin, okay? I catch hold of the origin. Wait, let me see. Catch hold of the origin. Am I able to turn around and bring it here? No. But it is symmetric about something else. See, left is equal to right. Is there a line where I can say left is equal to right?
Yeah, the y-axis.
Y-axis. So what type of function is this?
Even.
Around, yeah, y-axis. So it is an even function. Nice job. Interval of increasing, that you have values in here. What is the interval of increasing? What is the interval of increasing? Which interval it's increasing?
It's increasing by its absolute value.
No. What is the interval on the x
One.
values where it is increasing?
By 1.
By illama, meaning I just want to know for which x values the function keeps on increasing.
For 0.
0 to
0 to infinity.
infinity. It keeps on increasing. Don't, please, always parenthesis should be used for increasing and decreasing. Decreasing,
0 to negative infinity.
we always start from the smaller value.
Negative infinity to
Negative
0.
infinity to 0. What are the zeros? 0, 0. X-intercept, 0, 0. Y-intercept, 0, 0. Asymptotes, none. But what is the end behavior? Let's write out the end behavior. As x goes to, let me follow strictly whatever I said. As x goes to minus infinity, what happens? Y goes to, y or f of x goes to what?
Infinity.
Infinity. As x goes to plus infinity, what
Y goes
happens?
to
F of x goes to
infinity.
infinity. Who did not understand this? Mitransh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, any other questions? Okay. Okay, let's see. I'll give you one more maybe. Okay. When we discuss this, right, I really want you to do a couple of problems as well. Keep on discussing this, it's so boring. We can do one more if you want to. A quadratic function will do. So that way it's a good completion. Quadratic graph you already know. So you're just going to write this and send it to me. Take your time, but I want from everybody. In the meantime, I want to, yeah. You can go ahead and give it to me. Sahana, if you and Ashrita are good with it, right? I want you to look at the practice book and tell me, are you knowing all of the problems? Are you knowing some of the problems?
I
You
think
don't have to do this.
it's good. I took a look. I think it's a good
Wait,
review.
should we type this in chat?
Yes. And I can give you, let me see.
Some of the problems look confusing, but they're probably like easy once we can like start solving.
Yeah, so take it as the fundamental most book, ma. Don't
Okay.
take it as a good, wait, let me see. I had,
This is a square function, right?
All the concepts, so it's a good review.
yeah. Concepts are nicely covered, I saw. Okay, but let me see if I can get you one more. Yeah, I had a notebook, LM. Can I share with you?
Sure.
Let me put it in the classroom as well. Yeah, I thought of giving it to
I
you on the
think you have
last
to
day.
go in and personally share it to every single person.
Oh, really, ma?
That's how our teachers have to do it. We have to request access and then you have to share it.
That
My
I
teacher
understand.
just puts
But
it in Google Classroom.
yeah. Once I put it in Google Classroom, all the members in the Google Classroom get to share it, is what I think so. But tell me if it is not. Let
Okay.
me see. Let me see. I'm
Also,
going
our
to.
teachers use Canvas, so it's different.
I see. Oh, that's a problem. I didn't know that. Okay. Okay, let's see. But you know what? Okay, see, I have added 3 books in it. Okay, oh wow. Okay, I have the prep book for 2025-26 as well. So let me give this notebook LM to you guys. I have added materials to it, but I'll be adding more, ma. Okay, so let me see. I'll share this with you, but I have to see how to share because every time I have problems with the sharing. No, there are some settings as well in sharing. Let's see, what are those settings? Manage subscription. No. Sharing settings also.
Well, can you open the door? I really need to go poop. And class is about to start.
Share. No.
Class is starting in 10 minutes.
Kripa, you might have to mute, ma. Kripa, I'll mute you otherwise. Share. No, no, if I share that, what would happen like this? Copy link. I really don't know. No. Okay, I'll see how to share this. Okay, let me share it to myself and check and then share. Did you guys get it?
Miss Priya,
I don't know
what the
what's
hell?
sharing. Yeah, let me share it. I don't want to share it like
Miss
this.
Priya, is
Yeah.
it asymptote when it tries to merge with the horizontal vertical line or does merge?
Sorry. What was that question?
What's an asymptote again?
Asymptote, here there is no asymptote is a line to which the graph is trying to merge.
Oh, trying. Okay, I thought it was when it does.
Yeah, Ashruta, Sahana, you know, right? Oh,
Yeah, I was looking through the book.
okay, okay. Is it doable, ma? I will
Yeah.
share the notebook LM with you guys. Okay, I was preparing it. I have added some which I really loved. The materials I really loved, but let me see if I can add in more that will add value to your preparation. Quadratic parabola, correct.
So would there be a separate book for like algebra 2? Like
Oh, that book doesn't cover your thinking, right?
these are all like
Algebra 1 and geometry, correct?
yeah.
Yes. I have added in the notebook LM, I have added more.
Okay.
See, that's why I'm saying take it as the first fundamental book where you want to revise the concepts. It's very good.
Okay.
Okay, in the notebook LM, I'll add more.
Okay.
Dhruv. Yeah, square. Okay, square function. That's okay. We will call it a parabola. Okay. Minus infinity to infinity. Symmetry's origin. Odd. Symmetry's origin, Adro.
What?
Symmetry's origin.
Wait, I did not do that. Now let me fix it.
No problem. See, as long as you
But
learn.
it's the x-axis, right?
Yeah, no, it's a y-axis,
No,
right?
y-axis, my bad.
It takes time. There are zeros, Dhruv. Zeros are the x-intercepts. For that matter, another name of zeros is the x-intercepts. End behavior as x tends to minus infinity, y tends to infinity. Correct. As x
Wait, what are the zeros again?
zeros are nothing but x-intercepts. X-intercepts are nothing but roots. They are all having the same name.
So it's 0, 0,
Yeah,
zero.
roots is the same as x-intercepts. X-intercepts is the same as what did I say? Roots, x-intercepts and zeros. Okay, all are one and the same. So here the name of this function is a quadratic function, or you can say a parabola. Equation is y equal to x square. Domain is minus in see, domain can move from minus infinity to infinity. Yeah, range is 0 to infinity. 0 is less than or equal to y, less than or equal to infinity. Symmetry is about y-axis. See, this is the line left equal to right. So it's an even function. Interval of increasing is 0 to infinity. See, increasing decreasing interval should always be marked with parenthesis. Decreasing interval is minus infinity to 0. Zeros are 0 comma 0. X-intercepts are 0 comma 0. Y-intercept is again 0 comma 0. None. Asymptotes are none. End behavior says as x tends to minus infinity, y goes to infinity. X goes to plus infinity, y again goes to infinity. Any questions? No? Okay, I want to make it lighter. Didn't want to make it too bad. Okay, so we just studied the basics of functions and properties of three functions. That's all. Okay. Yeah, and in the notebook, all of you, when I share, right, tell what is your target score. Just like that, don't put full score, okay? Meaning wherever you are, you put in that score. That's my target score. Help me prepare. Put it like that. Make sense? Okay. But if you need help how to study using that, let me know, guys. I'll help you. Any questions? Okay, guys, I will see you all. Please tell your parents that I will send the calendar and the summer details in the next week. Okay, and based on whatever you guys decide, let me know whatever you want to do in the summer. Okay, no pressure, nothing. Okay, but keep me posted. Okay, any questions for me?
No.
Okay, guys, see you all soon. Have a nice break. Safe travels to those who are traveling. But I will see you in the second week of June.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Priya.
guys.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Priya.
Miss
Bye, guys.
Priya.
See you all soon.
Priya, is this our last class until June?
Yeah, but you know what? For your class, I have one class pending. Do you all know that? You all missed a class. Did you all know that?
Good morning, Miss Priya.
A very good morning, Sri Mitran.
Did we miss a class?
What is it?
I just heard you say we were missing a class.
Yeah,
We
we all
missed
missed a class.
we missed a class because your like mom fell down the stairs, right?
Exactly. Meaning I was not available, something of that sort.
Yeah, we are missing a class for that.
Yeah, very sad. I missed a class with you all today. Can we have that one class next week? I wanted to ask you all on the last day so that I don't disturb your schedules. Can we have it next week? One more finish up?
I'll ask my mom.
Oh, you will ask your mom. Okay, you're not available or what?
I don't know. Because we're going on a trip somewhere that I don't know where.
Ah, okay. Okay, I see.
But I'll ask. Actually, I don't think I can come because we have to go to New Orleans from this Friday.
Ah,
Even I can come because I have a birthday party on that day.
oh, next Sunday. Okay, can we?
And then the day after that's my birthday, so I have to do lots of stuff.
Okay, can I
I
extend
will
the class
already
a
be
little
that.
bit today? Can I extend the class today
Okay.
by half an hour? I think that should work, right?
That's fine.
I really want to finish up. Okay.
That's
By the way, guys. Okay, let me see. 1 minute, ma. There are
fine.
people who are logging in. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, all are in now. Okay, let's go to our classroom first.
Priyanti,
Yes.
are we learning parabol quadratic
No, that's not your class.
and behavior?
No. So you were there for it listening? Is it on the board still?
Yeah.
Yes, it's on the board. That's the problem, guys. Let me delete it. I was wondering how you guys are saying those words. I got it now. Oh, still. Okay. Where are we on our classroom? Okay. Did you all do the binary and decimal math? Did I post it
Yes.
late? I'm
Yeah.
sorry I posted it late, looks like. Yeah. Did you enjoy that? Did you understand how to do?
Yes.
I
It
finished
was
it.
very easy.
I finished it like
I
5
finished
to
it
10
in
minutes.
I finished it in 5 minutes.
It was really easy.
It in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's good to know, guys. I see. Let me see. I just want to know. See, what was the 3C? What was the last topic that we did in 3C? That was the only thing I wanted to deal with it today. What was the last thing?
Units of measurement.
Sorry. What was the last thing we did in 3D book? What was the last thing that we did in 3D book? Who can tell me?
3D book. I don't know.
3D. I really wanted to cover the area perimeter one more time nicely. What was the last page that you have done in 3D?
Estimation.
Estimation. Yes, I remember. So the area is what was left with, right? That is something I want to cover. Okay. Okay, so I also want to revise how much of binary numbers you did. Can we do that now? Yeah, we'll do that now. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Nice to know that you liked it. You know what? In Beast Academy 4, we'll deal with it in detail. But I just want to give you a heads up on that. Okay, how do you write the number 8 in binary? This is binary number, this is the decimal number. Please in chat. How do you write the number 8 in binary? How do you write the number 8 in binary? Yes, Ananya, tell me.
That is disabled.
Disabled, Amma. Okay, it's not disabled. I think you can chat with me privately, but I'm going to send you Ananya V. Okay, let me give you a chat message. Are you able to see, Ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Check.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I will check, Amma. Hey, you. Sorry, guys. Whoa. Let me check. Vishwa, correct Vishwa. Shreyang, correct. Ananya, correct. Akshara, correct. Vihan. Very nice, Vihan. Adya, correct. So proud of you guys. You're able to write binary numbers. You're able to write in computer language. Were you able to do it, Anjali, the homework?
No, I was still doing the 3C one.
Oh, Bukkama. Okay. So, okay. Did you forget, Anjali, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. How about, can I ask you one more number, guys? Would love to see you writing one more number. Can we try?
Yes. Miss Priya, I didn't check my answer.
Yes, Kripa, I honestly did not check yours. Hold on.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
how do you do it?
How do you do it? We discussed that last week, right? In class. Aradhya, good job. Aru, very nice, Aru. Kripa, for some reason, yes, Kripa, yours, yeah, I've seen already, though I didn't give you a reply.
Miss Priya, you did not check my answer.
Srimitran. Okay, guys, for some reason, it's not showing me, it's showing me as red. Srimitran, yeah, I don't see yours as, yeah, Srimitran, good job. Okay, can I ask you, how will you write the number 12 in decimal? Please only in chat. Okay, while I do that, I'll show Anjali how to do that. Anjali, every number carries a weightage, right? Place value, right?
In decimal?
Yeah, meaning I'm asking you in binary, ma. See here, the questions are okay. Anjali, the place value in binary is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3. So it goes like 1, 2, 4, 8. Those are the weights.
Yeah.
Those are the weights. Suppose if you want to write the number 8, under 8 you put a 1. Rest of it will be 0. You got it? The weights are 1, 2, 4, 8. So to write the number 4, what will you do? 1, 0, 0. Make sense?
Oh, yeah.
That's it. So how will you write the number 12? Keep on writing the weights. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. How do you write the number 12? Where will you put? What will you add? You can only have zeros and ones in binary.
So you can put 1 above the 16.
No. I want only 12. You're putting a 16. Think about it. Aru, that's correct, ma. Aradhya, very nice. Adya, very nice. Vihan, good job. Akshara. Akshara, is that right, ma? Akshara, you've given me a 10, not a 12. Good job, Shreyank. Vishwa, correct. You're all feeling proud? Are you able to understand computer language?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah, true, guys. That's nice. I feel good. Ananya, where is your answer, ma?
Miss Priya, am I correct? I just sent it.
Oh, okay. Akshara, correct, ma. Ananya, correct, ma.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
1 second, Kripa. Kripa, for some reason, whatever you send is not showing me as new. I'm checking though. Yes, Kripa, that's correct. That's why I am not able to call out your name every time. For some reason, it goes as red. I don't know why.
I think you have to reload your page.
Let me check. Reload my page. Let me check. Okay. Now, Srimithan. Yes, Srimithan. What's your question?
Did you check my answer?
I think she did. She said you did it correct.
Yeah, I told yours, I think, Srimithan, but not for her, Kripa. I'm checking again anyway. Yes, Srimithan. Perfectly right. So you guys know how to write. Good job. Okay. You know, in decimal, right? In decimal number system, right? I just want to tell you this fact, okay? In decimal number system, when you add, see, decimal number system, the weightage is 10 power of 0, 10 power of 1, 10 power of 2, 10 power of 3. What is this? That means this stands for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? That's what it is, right? So in decimal number system, 10 is your base, right?
Yeah.
In binary number system, what is your base?
2.
2. Good job. 2. So the possible digits are 0 and 1 in binary, correct? What are the possible digits in decimal? What are the possible digits in decimal?
0 and 1. 1.
2.
0 to
2.
0.
0 to 9.
0 to 9. Good job. But once 9 reaches, right, when it overflows, right, what happens? It becomes a
10. It's a whole number.
It becomes a second 2-digit number, right? So the first digit rounds to a 0, the second digit becomes a 1. Do you get it?
Yes.
And then when both the digits overflow, what happens? In 99, what happens?
3 digits.
It becomes a 3-digit. Both the overflowing digits become 0 and the next digit becomes a 1. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
That's what happens when it overflows. It goes to the smallest digit and then the previous digit becomes the next digit, right? So like that, what do you think about after 11 in binary, right? What is the next number? Whatever overflows becomes 0, 0. But this number becomes 100. Yeah, 1. Yes. And after that, all the 3 overflow, what happens?
1000.
Exactly, 1000. Yes. But this is not 1000. Don't worry. This is not 1000 in binary. But this is how it works. Suppose, let's say all the 4 overflow. What happens? It becomes a
10,000.
Exactly. It becomes a 5-digit number. It's not 10,000 in binary, but it refers to something else. What is that number, you know? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
16.
That number is 16 in binary. Did you get it, guys?
Yeah.
It's one. It's 4. It's 8 and it's 16.
Exactly. See, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. All are zeros, right? Only this has value 16. Am I making sense? Aradhya, am I making sense? Aru, am I making sense? But tell me, what is your question?
So is this base 2?
What, ma?
Is this base 2? Like, is
Yeah,
this
this is
binary?
base 2. This is base 2. Base 2 number system.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, guys.
I had a question in the book.
Okay, we'll go there. We'll go there, Anjali. Wait. So, did you all understand base 2 and base 10 a little bit?
Yes.
I don't want you to be experts today, but I just want you to know that there is a base 2 number system which has only zeros and ones, and a base 10, which is what we use. It uses digits 0 to 9. How many digits are there in base 10?
9.
0.
How many digits are there?
2.
9.
How many digits are there to use in base 10?
Any number?
No. How many digits?
10.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the fundamentals, guys. You need to know. How many digits are there in base 2?
3. 2.
2, 0 and 1. How many digits are there for base 16 then?
16.
16. How many digits are there for base 8?
8.
What will they be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got it? Can there be a number 7, 8, 5 in base 8?
No.
No, the 8 can't come here. Can there be a number 2, 1, 0 in base 2?
No.
This can't come here. Right?
Yes.
Can there be a number 3, 5, 4 in base 5?
No.
Why? Which should not be there?
5.
Yeah, exactly. So that base numbers will have 1 digit less always. You got it? Base 10 will have the maximum of 9. You got it? Base 2 will have a maximum of 1 in it. Base 3 will have a maximum of 2 in it. So let's see. How about this? 101. What is this number in binary? Remember, the weights are 1, 2, 4. What is this number in binary?
Ooh.
Yes, Ananya, go ahead.
Do I send it in chat?
No, shout out.
5.
Oh, wow. Proud of you. Yes, she added the weights. That's what we do in decimal. What do we do in decimal for the same number? What do? We have different weights. What are they? 1, 10, 100. So what do? 100 plus 1. We add the weights, right? This is 101 in decimal.
The same number.
Yeah, the same number, but it denotes different values. You got it? Because of their bases. Do you see it? It's interesting when you think about it. Okay. 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 What I wanted to go back is to 3D book. Now tell me, Anjali, what question did you have in 3C book?
It's question 130 on page 98.
Okay. Grog places a triple. A triple means what, Amma? Wait, a triple on the balance scale.
3.
Okay. Grog cannot balance the scale using only the 4 weights above. A triple means, first of all, I need to understand. What is the smallest number of grams Grog's triple could weigh? 1 second, ma'am. Show how some are, okay, she's asking, let me put it up on the board, you can as well see, you don't have to while away your time, go to page number 98. She's asking for question number 130.
It's 5. Yeah.
What am I?
It's 5.
Sorry, what is it?
Can I get mine?
Oh, you are answering the question, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get mine? 3C book.
Yeah, go get it quickly, yes.
Can I get my 3C book?
Yes, please. 3C and 3
Can I go get mine?
Yeah, but come quickly, guys.
Should we get a 3D also?
3C and 3D you should have, guys.
Miss Priya, can I go to get my 3D book?
Anybody can go, come quickly. Okay, don't take too much time. Show how small of the weights can be placed on the right side to each scale to balance the scale. Okay, show how Grog places a triple on a balance scale. Professor Grog balances using only the 4 weights above. What are the 4 weights above? Oh, okay, the 4 weights are 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. What is the smallest number of grams Grog's triple could weigh?
Miss Priya, the weights are 1, 3, 9, and 27.
So he has what, Amma?
The weights for number 130 is 1, 3, 9, and 27.
Oh, okay. So what base is he using then? What base is Mr. Grog using? This is 3 power of 3 power of 6, 3 power of 3. What base is he using?
Base 3.
Base 3. Good job. He's using base 3. Very nice.
So the numbers can go from 0 to 2.
The numbers can go from 0 to 2. But see, wait. The numbers can go from 0 to 2. Okay, but he has only these 4. He doesn't go above. Okay, what they're asking is, Grog places a triple on a balance scale. Professor Grog cannot balance the scale using only the 4 weights.
Wait,
What of these weights?
These are the comics.
What is the maximum weight he can balance? Let's see.
My 5 volts.
Okay, 1 minute, guys. He's putting a triple. We don't know what is this, okay? He's putting a triple, and this guy, the professor, is not able to put on any of these. Meaning, even if he puts everything in, he's not able to balance them. See, that's what it says, okay? Grog places a triple. Grog is placing this. Now, Professor Grog cannot balance the scale using only the 4 weights. Using only these 4 weights, he is not able to balance it. Okay. Now, yes, ma'am.
Can I explain?
You want to explain? Okay, go ahead.
So,
Go ahead. What are the weights? He put those weights in here. All the 4 weights. Okay, he's putting all the 4 weights. 1, then one looks smaller. Let's make it smaller. 2, another looks smaller. And then one more. Go ahead and explain now. This is 1, this is 3, 9, 27. Even professor, this is the professor. The professor places all the 4 weights, but he's not able to balance.
So, if he puts a triple, which means if he puts 3 ones, it's 3.
Yeah, if he puts 3, okay.
And Professor Brock has 3. So, and if he puts 1 and a 2, it's 4.
But is he allowed to place 1, 1? Is he allowed to place 1, 1? What I'm asking is, he's not. See, the thing is, he can use the 4 weights. Okay, triple is just some weight placed on the left side, right? On the right side, he has to place his weights 1, 3, 9, 27 to balance what is on the left side. Okay, now suppose the triple is weighing 1 gram. What weight will he use on the right side, Professor Grok? Adya, you tell me.
The 1 gram.
1 gram he'll use. Suppose if he uses 14 grams, what weights will he use?
The 9, the 3 and the 1.
9 and the 3 and the 1 he'll use. See, he can use only 1, 3, 9, 27.
Wouldn't that become
I know how to do it.
Anjali, are you following Anjali?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. Suppose if he puts in 35, Anjali, what are the weights he'll use this side? Suppose if the triple weighs 35 gram, what weights will he put on the right side?
He will put, you could put 30 grams and 5 grams.
So there is no 30 gram, right? He has only 1, 3, 9, 27.
Okay, so you could put 27, 9.
But that is 36, right?
Yeah.
It's not possible.
So you can put 1 on that side, on Grog's side, 1 on the 35 side.
Okay, nice. So he can add his weights on this side as well. So what he can do, Anjali?
He can add 1 on Grog, like 1 on the 3
He can
side.
add 1 on this side and do what on the other side?
27 and 9.
27 and 9, that's nice. So that becomes 36 equal to 36. Very nice. But what weight if he puts, he cannot match up at all. What weight if he puts, see what you need to do is, you have to simply sit and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, will he be able to match it? Triple, you don't know the weight of it, but he has to match. Okay, in the sense, triple can be any weight. Okay, starting from any gram it can be. Okay, but think about it. You have only 1 gram, 3 gram, 9 gram, 27 gram. So like that, which is the lowest number for which you cannot balance is what you have to come up with. You have to write it down one by one only. Okay, somebody raised their hand. Who wants to say something? Did somebody want to say something? Yes, Adya. Did you want to say? Go ahead.
I think the answer is 41.
Why do you think it's 41?
Because if you add 27 plus 9 plus 3, you'll get 40. And then you add another 1 and 41.
Yeah.
So it'll be equal to if the triple is 41 grams.
I completely agree, but you cannot say that that is the answer until you find that you are able to balance any number till 40. You got it?
It also says what is the smallest number of grams grog trouble could weigh.
Exactly. See, that is where I'm saying you cannot say that 41 is the answer till you are able to match one by one. For 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram, 5 gram, like that you have to go till 40. Meaning, suppose if the triple is 1 gram, you'll be able to match up with 1 gram. So 1 is done. If the triple is 2 grams, how will he match? He will add 1 gram here and 2.
What are this? Yeah.
He'll add 1 gram here and 3 grams on this side, he'll be able to match. So this is matching. For 3 grams, how will he manage?
He could just put the 3 weight.
Yeah, triple is 3 means he will add just the 3 gram weight on this side. Correct?
So the answer is 5.
Answer is 5?
No.
No.
What happens to 5? How will he manage? Tell me. Suppose that 5 grams, how is he going to manage?
He input.
Triple is 5 grams.
Did you use
3 and
Could you put the same gram twice?
No, you cannot. But you can, meaning, but one thing is allowed is you can put weights on both the sides. He has a 5 gram triple. Will he be able to match?
So you can put the 9 on the other side.
Exactly, 9 on the other side, and he can add 1 and 3 on this side, and still he'll be able to manage.
Yeah.
You got it? So 4 and 5, everything is possible. You have to sit and do till how much ever you want. Okay, let's try at random, okay? Meaning I really want you to try. Let's say 12. How is he going to manage 12? Suppose if the triple is 12 grams. 1 minute guys, 1 minute guys. Triple is 12 grams and I have 1, 3, 9, 27. Anjali, are you getting a hang of it?
Yeah.
So, how will he manage the 12?
He could
3 and
Yeah, he can put the 3 gram and 9 gram here.
9 gram.
Good job. Now, let's say I will give you a complicated one. Let's say the triple is 33. How is he going to manage?
He can put 27 and
27, okay. Then?
And
27, 3 and 1.
And then you can put 3 on the...
You can
you can put 3 on the triple or the 33 side, and then you can add 9.
Good job, guys. Yes, 36 manages 36. So, like this, you have to try every number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, you need to keep doing and arrive at the number where it is not possible. Did you get it, Anjali?
Yeah.
I really don't want to give you the answer. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See whether you're able to do. Let's find out whether you're able to do 29. Are you able to do 29?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. 29. Let's find out 29. Triple is
29 we can put a 1 to the other side.
27 plus 3.
And then
If everybody talks, I can't
One on the other
person.
Could I say it?
Anyone can say it. You yourself can decide. I don't want to pick you. Then you might feel I left one person, right? You can be kind to each other. And go.
I've never said anything. Can I say it? No.
Go ahead. Who wants to say? One of you say, ma, please. One time, one person say.
Can I say it?
Yeah, Aru wants to say. Go ahead, Aru. I see raising hand. Kripa is raising hand. Kripa has answered, so I asked Aru. Go ahead.
So if you put the 1 on the triple side, and then you add 3 plus 27, it'll both be equal.
I'll ask one more person, one more. Okay, like that you need to do for every number. How about 35? Triple is 35. What do you do?
Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Who wants to do? Anjali, why don't you? Go ahead, ma. One of you. Shreyank, why don't you do this time? You're keeping quiet and laughing there. Tell me.
Keep 1 on the 35 side.
1 on the 35 side.
Keep 27 and 9 on this side.
Wow, good job. See, you're able to manage everything I'm seeing. How about 22? Who's going to say 22?
Can I say?
I'll give you turn for everybody. Who wants to?
Can I say?
Akshara, go ahead. Next time I'll give you turn. Whoever is not yet said, I'll give you the turn. Go ahead, Akshara. 22 gram. How will you manage? Come on, quick. You have to shout out quickly for me because I want the others as well to say. Go ahead.
So you should put 7.
Think about 16, the next person. What, ma?
You can put...
Priya, who's the next person?
Anybody, please, you will have to prepare for 16. 16, 18 you can prepare. Come on guys, quick, but I want the person who picks to say it quickly if you have the answer. 22, who has the answer?
I have the answer 22.
Yeah, go ahead, Adya.
So for 22, you can put 9 on the triple side, and then put 27, 3, and 1 on the other side.
Wow, that is correct. See, this adds up to 31, this adds up to 31. That is done. Good job. Now Adya had her turn. Go ahead, ma. Akshara, do you have it for 18? 18. Okay. You can prepare for any of these, whoever wants to answer. Yes, Vihan. Which one do you want?
I can do 18.
Go ahead.
So 18 is 9 on the triple side, and then 27 on the one side.
Oh, wow, correct. 18 plus 9 is 27. Good job. 18 is done. Who wants to? Kripa wants to answer. Go ahead, Kripa.
15. Can I do 15?
Yes. Kripa, go ahead, Kripa.
So 15 plus 3 plus 1 is 27. And then you add and the 9, and then you add the 27 here. No, you add the 9 in the 15 side.
Okay, then what happens?
And then you put the 27 on the other side.
Very well done, Vishwa. Okay, so like that you need to compare every weight. Anjali, did you have the answer to this one? Kripa, go ahead for 16. 14. We can answer 14.
Can I do 14?
Yeah, yes, Srimitran. Go ahead, ma. Kripa, go ahead. Go ahead, ma. Kripa, we are waiting.
Symposium.
Srimitran, go ahead with 14.
26. Oh, plus 1 is 26.
Go ahead with 14. Srimitran, you wanted to say, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
You have to think and keep it ready, right? Kripa, go ahead and say, ma, Kripa. Oh, nice, Kripa. So she added 9 on this side, making it a 25. Then what happens here? Kripa, that might not be right for 16. 9 is a 25, and after that? Kripa, there is one chance. 27 plus 1 on this side. 16 plus 9 is? 16 plus 9 is 25. And then a 3. See? That evens out. This is nice. Good job. Anjali, very nice. Like this you have to find for every number. For 14, what are you going to do? Who's going to tell for 14?
Me.
Do it again.
I want somebody who has not tried at all, right?
Can I do 14?
Go ahead. We are waiting for you to try. Srimitran, go ahead. Do you want a clue from me, Srimitran? Okay, do you want a clue from me?
Yeah.
Okay, can we make it to a 27 easily this side? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 9. Yeah, see? 139 on this side, 27 on this side. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, any other questions, Anjali? You got it now?
Yeah, I got it.
These are fun. You know why are they asking you to do this? When you go to base 3 numbers, you'll find it very easy to find out the numbers. Okay, so but we just got you introduced to base 2 and base 10. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. I really want to revise. See, this is a part of your school as well. So this one I want you to be very clear with. Okay, so how about this? What is what is what is the area and what is the perimeter of this? What is the area and what is the perimeter of this? Quickly, chat in chat, please. Okay, I'm more particular not with this, okay? I'm really particular about irregular shapes, not with these, okay? This is just an intro.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I'll see.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I'll check. Are you correct? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, nice, guys. This one looks like it's too easy for all of you. I don't even need to. Oh, wow. Nice, Shreyang. I really like the units, you know? Proud of your units.
Thank you.
Always put the units, guys. Units is so important because they are different.
Priyanti, will you check mine?
I checked everybody's, but one thing, Aru, area is centimeter square, right, Aru? I'm glad that you tried to put the units, okay, very nice. But then, area is centimeter square. It should always be expressed in squares, okay? Perimeter is just centimeter, okay? Now, let's go ahead with this, guys, okay? As I said, right, I'm very particular about only this. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you something you're going to find, okay? The shape is made up of two congruent rectangles. The shape, please listen, the shape is made up of, I will write down so that you're not confused. This is a tricky question, okay? I really want you to be thinking through these questions, not the basic ones. Shape is made up of two congruent. By now you should know what is congruent. So many times you discussed two congruent rectangles. Okay, this is a tricky question. Don't just like that say the answer. You have to, where is the tricky part? You're going to check. I'm giving you the, okay, now wait. What I don't get it is, 1 second, guys. Okay, this is 4, this is 4. That's all is given. Okay, I want to know what is the area of the T. Area of the T. That's a very tricky question. Let me see. I really want with the units, guys. Putting the units will set you forever for good in math. Always use units. But sometimes, you know, in tests that are online, right, they don't expect units. So you need to be careful, and you need to be careful such that you read the instructions first. Okay, in my class, always you have to have the units, okay? But in online tests, usually they don't want you to put the units. Okay, you need to be very careful there. You have to read instructions.
I joined the math league of this season.
Oh, really?
And I had to end it.
Yeah. No.
It ended.
Did you join?
Yeah, I joined it, but no, last season because I don't remember, but I think it stopped for this season.
What do you mean, Vihan? Are you doing it?
No, I did like for the under Tuesdays, but I don't think maybe they're doing it still, but maybe they're not.
Okay, I'll talk to you at the end of the class. I don't get what you're saying clearly. Can I talk to you at the end of the class for sure?
Yes.
Yeah, I really want to talk to you. Okay. Shape is made up of two congruent rectangles. What is the area of the T? Yes, ma.
What is the unit?
Oh, area of the unit. Great. Okay. One thing is when the units are not given, I did not give you, that's my bad. But if the units are not given, right, you can put it as units or unit square. Units for perimeter or unit square for area. If the units are not given.
Choose 20.
But I should have given you because you didn't know that, right? Yeah. Go ahead.
40 feet.
Shape is made up of two congruent rectangles. See, the catch here is you have to find the rest that is not given. That is the catch.
I don't know where's Q.
There are certain pieces that are not given. What is this piece? That's exactly the same as this. You have to think about it like that. I'm giving you clues.
Yeah, am I correct?
Oh, you gave the answers? Oh my goodness.
Me too.
Sorry. Yes, oh my God, I got 5 answers. 1 minute. I'm checking. Yes, Vihan, that's right. Adya, that's right. Akshara, can you check once more? I think you got it. But unnecessarily, you did some extra thing. That's right, Srimitran. Did you do it by yourself, Srimitran?
Yeah.
Kripa and Akshara, you both did something extra. Can you check?
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Miss Priya, can I use this too?
Go. Come back quickly. And what, sorry, Vihan, what is this R smaller 2? What does it mean?
Oh, because the 2 is too big.
Okay. Go. Come quickly. I got it. I didn't understand, so I asked you. Go ahead. Aru, almost there, not yet. Vishwa, correct. Vishwa, did you do it by yourself?
Miss Priya, I checked. I fixed it. I don't know if I'm correct or not.
Yeah.
Kripa, not really Kripa. Okay, see this one, guys. Okay, see, I gave you 4. What is remaining? This is 2 clearly, guys. So this is 2. You have to find that out. Now, when it comes to the area, the problem is this 2 is not included. See, this is overlapping. So you need to be careful of that. So first of all, what is the area of this rectangle? 10 times 2, which is 20 feet square. Correct?
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Can I explain?
You want to explain? Okay, go ahead.
So what I did, since they're congruent, I just broke them apart because when they're congruent, I can find out the segments. Since he's connected, it's 4 and 4, which is 8. 8 minus 10 is 2. So that means the side lengths are 2. 2 and 10. 2 times 10 is 20 times 2 is 40 because the other rectangle is also going to be 20. 220 times 2 is 40.
Okay. You got it as 40. Okay. Oh, Kripa, you subtracted this. Is it, Kripa?
Yeah.
Okay. So I go with you, Kripa, meaning the letter T below was made by joining 2 congruent rectangles. Okay. Okay, Kripa. Kripa, here the thing is, I said 2 congruent rectangles, right? You took it like this, is it? Meaning this one did not go in. Why did meaning? See, this one is a proper rectangle. This one is a congruent rectangle. You see what I mean? Kripa, do you understand? Meaning, see, you thought too much about it, I feel. This is a rectangle, 10 times 2. Then again, this is 2, this is 10. Two congruent rectangles, right? Kripa, am I with you?
So, like, was the answer 40?
40. Yeah, 40 feet.
What was the answer I put before?
What, ma?
What was the answer I put before?
What was the answer you put before? I don't remember. You changed it.
Can I go to the restroom?
I feel like I put 40. I'm not sure, but
no.
I put 80. I put 80.
Yeah. It was a little extra. 60 or 80 was there. 80, yes. Anjali, correct, ma. 40 feet square is the answer, guys. Okay. This is a little easier. Okay. Now let's see this one, guys. Okay. I'm going to give you this. You're going to try by yourself. Okay. Let's see. 3. Sum of it. Sum of it Some of the details are not given, okay?
You come and kill
Let's try this one. Let's try this one, guys. 3 meter. 3 meter. I don't know too. Okay, I'll also work with you. 4 meter, 6 meter, 7 meter. You know what I want to know about this? Find the area of the shape. Find the area of the shape.
Can I do something to like make it easier?
Yeah, tell everybody. Doesn't matter. Tell me.
Okay, putting a line across like this.
Ah, good idea. Yes. You can split it. You can add the areas. Ananya, good job, Ananya. Nice to see your answers in class, Ananya. I feel so happy, you know. You can be interactive. Now that you've gotten very used to, right? Aradhya. Aradhya, did you get the answer for the area last time, Aradhya?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Okay, good. Aradhya, I really want you to speak up. Go ahead, try this one now. Quick, come on. I know we have done this earlier, but I still feel it's not enough what we have done. You know tangrams, guys? How many of you know tangram?
I do.
Yeah, am I correct?
How many of you know tangrams?
I don't know.
Okay,
I know a little bit of it.
Yeah, I want you to Google out, okay? I want you to Google out tangrams, okay? Print those pieces, okay? There's a lot of rectangles, triangles, parallelograms coming through, okay?
Oh yeah, I know what diagram
Yeah,
is.
there will be 7 pieces that you get out of the internet, okay? Cut it out into the 7 pieces and make the pictures shown on page number 87. That's a part of your summer work. Page number 87 has some it has some shapes, okay? Those need to be made using the 7 pieces of tangrams. 7 pieces, you can get it from the internet. Yeah, go ahead. When you search for 7 pieces of tangram, you get the 7 pieces.
Am I correct, Miss Priya?
Yeah, the answer was what?
45 square meters.
I forgot the
45
answer.
meters. 45 meters.
45 meters square.
Oh.
Yeah.
45 meters square.
I got 43.
45. 7 3s are 21 meters square, 24 meters square. Adding them together, it's 45 meters square. Okay.
Priya, can I show my gallon land thing?
Can I see? Yes. Okay. You know what? I forgot to ask this. See, that's why I need to put it in the classroom. Can I see?
There's in gallon land.
Where is it?
Right here. Do it on the board.
Do you have the physical thing? No. Do you have the physical one?
No, I don't.
I asked you to do, right?
I have 4 queens.
Mm-hmm.
And each queen has 1 princess and 1 prince. And each princess and each prince have 2 cats, which are cups. That's how the gallon land works.
Each quart has what? Okay.
Each quart has 2 pints, and those 2 pints have 2 cups.
2 pints, what are they?
The prince and the princess.
Prince and the princess. Okay. And after that, cups?
The cats.
Oh, each prince and the princess has cats, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Nice. The story is very good. I didn't know this story. You know what story I know about the gallon man? I would like to share it with you guys. Okay. This gallon man, this is my gallon man. This is his big tummy. Tummy has 1 gallon. Okay. He has 2 hands, 2 legs. You will not forget this. He has 2 legs and 2 hands, which I call them as quarters. And then each of his hand, right? The forearm that you have, right? Forearm. This is the upper arm. This is the upper arm. These two are the forearm, right? Tibia, I don't know what is I don't know whether you know the bones. The 2 arms that he has are pines and pines. Okay, so each of his hand and each of his leg has 2 pints. You see? So a quart has 2 pints. Pint and a pint. Pint and a pint. You have it like this. And then he has only 4 fingers. That's the worst part of gallon man. He has only 4 fingers. Okay. So each quart is made up of 4 cups. Each quart is made up of 4 cups, or each pint is made up of 2 cups. You see? This is how I know the story of the gallon man. Okay. Then you can draw his face. You got it? So this is the story I know. What? Okay, Shreyank, it's so funny for you, right? Tell me how many cups is in a gallon? How many cups is in a gallon? You can manage.
He's laughing at the face.
No, I understood that. I didn't mean that you were. Yeah, I liked you having fun with it. But tell me, 1 gallon, since I am thinking that you know, so I went ahead, bravely asked you, how many cups in a gallon?
8.
Is it 8? Count and tell me. You know, you are understanding the picture well. What is going on, guys?
8.
1 second, guys. How many cups in a gallon? How many cups in a gallon? I have,
16.
How many cups in a gallon? Everybody's laughing now.
16.
16. Good job. So, how many pints are in a quart? How many pints are in a quart, Bihan? How many pints are in a quart?
2 pints.
How many quarts are in a gallon, Ananya?
4.
How many pints are in 2 quarts, Srimitran? How many pints are in 2 quarts?
16.
How many pints are in 2 quarts, Srimitran?
16.
That was a question for Srimitran. How many pints are in 2 quarts?
4.
Good job. 4 pints are in 2 quarts. Very nice. Now, how many quarts are in 2 gallons, Anjali? How many quarts are in 2 gallons?
2.
How many quarts are in 2 gallons? This is 1 gallon.
4.
How many quarts are in 2 gallons?
2.
Did you get it?
No.
How many quarts are in 1 gallon?
2.
Why 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
So 4 and then 8 is
8. Good job. So, how many cups are in 2 gallons? Who wants to answer? How many cups are in 2 gallons? Akshara, can you say? How many cups in 2 gallons?
16.
Good job. Are in 2 gallons, ma. How many cups are in 2 gallons? This is 1 gallon. How many cups? 1 gallon has got how many? 16 cups are there. So in 2 gallons? Is double. How many?
32.
32. Good job. Okay. Vishwa, can you answer this for me? How? Okay. Let me ask you this. In half a quart, in half a quart, how many pints are there?
Wow.
In half a quart, good job.
1.
1 pint is there in half a quart. Very nice. Okay, now in 1.5 quarts. In 1.5 quarts, how many pints are there?
3.
Good job.
3. Yeah.
3. Very nice. Okay. In 3.5 pints, how many cups are there? In 3.5 pints. In 3.5 pints,
7.
I need to have 3.5 pints. Good.
7.
7. Why 3.5 pints? See, this is 1 pint. 2, 2, 2. That is 3. 6 cups. 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, 6 cups. And in half a pint, 1 more. So 7 cups are there. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Shreyank, are you with me, Shreyank? Shreyank, are you with me? Oh, good, good, good. Okay, then can we move on? Aru, can I ask you something? In 2 quarts, how many pints are there? 2 quarts, how many pints are there?
4 pints.
Good job. Okay, guys. Okay, really, guys, I really want to come back to this area perimeter. Okay, I really want to finish this. That's why I thought I'll extend the class a little bit. How about this? Okay, guys, I have never taught you this, but I want you to learn this as well. Okay, this is a rectangle. Let's say 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. Suppose if I cut it into 2, right? What will be the area of this part?
2.
What will be the area of that part?
2.
4.
2.
4 because
Basically, rectangle area you measure by 4 times 2, right?
It's 4.
Rectangle, right? Think of it like I'm cutting the rectangle into 2 pieces. So I divide by 2. So the area is 4 centimeters square for a triangle. So for a triangle, whenever you are asked a triangle, for a triangle which has, for a right triangle, if you are asked for the area, you will make it into a rectangle, then divide by 2. So basically the area of a right triangle will be half times, this is the base, this is the height. You got it?
Yeah.
This holds good for a right triangle. Yes, ma.
I just did 4 into 2 is 8 and 8's half is 4 and then I got 4.
Perfect, ma. Okay. Now let's try this one. I'm going to give you something. You're going to sit and try. Okay? You're going to sit and try this one. You're going to tell me the answer. Okay? I'll wait. I said right triangle. Don't go for other triangles. Only right triangle. This is valid. So if I have this marking, it means what? It's a right triangle. Okay. What is the area of this figure? There are some extra lines you need to draw. There are some extra lines you need to draw. What is the area of this figure? See, the dot and grids I want to cover too. Let's see how much we can do.
Priya, am I correct?
This is 1.
The answer. Oh wow, somebody got it. Adya got it. Srimitran. Can you check again, Srimitran? Vihan, did you already answer? I don't think that answer.
Miss Priya, that was the answer for the last
Last one,
question.
that's what I thought. Okay. Aru Noma. Vishwa no. Kripa. Okay, I'll help you. Anjali, that was the answer for the last one. Ananya, that was the answer for the last one. Shreyank. Shreyank, did you already answer, Emma? No, right?
Just answered, by the way.
Yeah, I'm seeing that answer only. But, you know what, Shreyank? I know what mistake you did. Shreyank, for the triangle you have to divide by 2. Did you forget it?
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Priya,
Yes.
you checked the wrong answer. You checked my previous answer for a different question.
Same problem, Aru, like Shreyank. Whatever I said for Shreyank is good for you too. For it's not a rectangle. You have to divide by 2, right, for a triangle. Did you do that? That's the first thing that happens. Shreyank, that's right. Aru, can you correct it?
Yeah, I divided it.
No, you didn't. Please check. You forgot. Anjali, what are you thinking? Think out loud with us. Think out loud with us.
For the triangle, are we supposed to find out the area or?
For the triangle, you have to find out the area. Yes.
Okay.
I will cut it into 2 triangles. So you have to find one triangle area. 9 times 2, divide by 2. This is not a rectangle.
So 9.
9 in square. This is also a right triangle. This is also a right triangle. What is the area of that?
So you have to divide it by 2 after you get the answer.
What is it?
46 times 7
21 in square. 21 in square, right?
Yeah.
You know what, guys? Here, see, I really don't want you to multiply 6 and 7 and then divide by 2. Don't do that. You have to think differently. Always have smaller numbers. First do the division by 2. First do one of the division by 2. 6 divided by 2. 3. 3 times 7. That is easier. So 21 plus 9 is 30 inches square. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try this one. You all got it. Okay, this is too easy on you. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, how about this? Okay, so here I'm going to draw this one. Okay, let's see, guys. You have to cooperate with me. Wait, let me finish. Be a little patient with me. Okay, I drew it. Okay, now let me do this like this. Okay, I have all these connected. Think about it. Okay, each is 1 centimeter, 1 unit wide. Okay, each is 1 unit wide. Okay, every bit is 1 unit wide. Okay, now you know what I'm going to do. You see here what I did, and then I connected this, then I connected this, then I connected this. Okay, what is the area? What is the shaded area? What is the shaded area? How will you do the shaded area? First, please let's talk. How are you going to find the shaded area?
So you see the square unit for one of the shaded areas, and then you multiply that by 4.
But they are not symmetric. But they are not congruent. You cannot do that because the 4 areas are not congruent, right?
So you have to count it.
No, you can't count it. The 4, see, this one is bigger, this one is bigger, this one is smaller. So you cannot find one and multiply by 4.
So this
one, they're all triangles and they're all like 3 inches.
Exactly, they're all triangles. Yeah. And they're all right triangles. So what you can do? What you can do? You know how to find the area of a right triangle, right?
You divide it by 2 after?
Yeah, so, no. Find the area of each of the triangle, add them in.
So you find this area, you find one of the triangle's area, and then you divide that number, and then you keep going.
This triangle is congruent to this triangle.
And then this triangle is congruent to this triangle.
Yes. So this 2 can become a rectangle. This 2 can become a rectangle. Right? The smaller 2 can become a small rectangle. The bigger 2 can become a big rectangle. Find the area now and tell me. I'm not going to tell any further.
Okay.
I'm waiting for your answers though.
Priya, am I correct?
Are you correct? Eight. I'm asking for all of it, right, Vihan?
Yeah, am I correct?
I'm checking. Srimitran, how did you get that? Can you explain? I don't think that's right though. Adya, that's not right. Okay, let's name that. No, what is it?
That was the last question's
Oh,
answer.
sorry then. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm asking for the area of triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. Each is 1 unit measure, I told you. I clearly told you. So now it is your duty to find out the area of the triangles. This was one piece I had not covered in the book. So I really wanted to cover. And I knew that that 1 week which I miss is always missing in my lesson plan. So I really wanted to take the time to go over this with you today.
I'm pretty sure my answer is correct.
What is it? Oh, no, I don't think your answer is correct. Did you do 2 rectangles or 4 triangles? What did you do, Adya?
I did 4 triangles.
4 triangles. Then tell me. Okay, Adya, split it into triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. What are their areas? Send it to me.
Okay.
Send separately to me.
3, 6.
Oh wait, I got it. I got it. My mistake. It was such a mistake. Am I correct?
I'll check, ma. As and when you said, I'm looking at your answers though. Yes, that seems right. No.
Wait, times 3 is 9. Plus 3 is 3.
Hey, Anjali, can you redo? Why are you not sure? Hey, Anjali, can you explain? Anjali and Aradhya have answer of 30. Can you explain why? Anjali or Aradhya, one of you should explain now.
I got 30 because if you count the triangle 3 and triangle 4, they each have 6 units. And
no, how do you know each have 6 units? What is the area of each triangle 3 and triangle 4? See, if you construct a rectangle out of it, what is their area? That's it, right? This is this here. So you need to find out the square area, right? That's all. This you bring it in here. So this is 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2 is what? Triangle 3 and triangle 4 will add up to, what is the area? 2 times 2, 4 units square, right? Triangle 1 and 2 the same. 1 and 2 are congruent. So make it into a rectangle. And what is the area? 4 times 4, 16 units square, right?
Ooh.
When you add them together, it's 20 units square. You got it?
Oh, I got it. It was 3.
Yeah. Okay, how about this? See, you can split them into shapes and try to understand this well as well. Okay. Okay, how about this? I'm going to give you a challenge. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want each of you to work independently. Think about your own ways of doing it. You don't have to follow anybody else. Okay, your methodology can be very different from another person nearby. That does not matter, but you have to split each of them into known areas. Meaning, you have to split each of them into known areas in the sense, however you know, you can split them. But you need to be able to find the area of those smaller pieces that you're doing. Okay, I want to find the shaded area. I really want to find the shaded area. I really want to find the shaded area. Which is the shaded area here? This is my shaded area.
Okay.
This is my shaded area. You can split it into how many parts you want. But I need that shaded area, the red area. You know what, if I were you, how would I split it? I know only triangles and rectangles. So how can I split it? Can I do it like this? You should be able to split them nicely. Can you split into triangles and rectangles like this?
Yes.
So now find out the total area. I'm not going to help you here. This is all a little bit of spatial reasoning. You have to think about. I split it for you this time, right? I gave you a big help. Now you're going to find the area of the triangles and the rectangles, add them together. Each is 1 unit. 1 unit means each square box area is 1 square unit. See, this 1 square box is 1 square unit. Because 1 times 1 is 1.
Okay. Yeah, like red.
Adya, did you send the answer already?
Yeah.
Adya is correct. Srimitran, not really. You are over counting, Srimitran. Not really, Vihan. You are also over counting.
Miss Priya, that was the last answer.
Oh, okay. Shreyank, you are undercounting. I don't know why. I'm going to ask you why. Kripa, did you send?
Previous answer. I know how I messed up.
Okay. Vishwa, not really Vishwa. Must see each square box. See, each square box in it is 1, basically. Okay, only for the triangles you need to calculate. Yes, go to restroom and come. No problem at all.
Miss Priya, am I correct? I sent my answer.
Am I correct too? I resent it.
Send it now.
You sent it?
Yeah, I resent it.
I will check. Yeah. Shreyank, please recheck. You are still overcounting. I know where you are overcounting. I don't want to tell you the secret. You're overcounting. Okay? You are still counting that one place twice. I don't want to tell which place. Aradhya. That's not correct. Aradhya, did you take into account 4 triangles and all the square boxes? Vishwa,
am I correct?
You're not see, Vishwa and Aradhya, I am asking for the red shaded part, not just the green color thing. I am asking for the red shaded part area.
Am I correct now? I rechecked it.
Aru, not really Aru. Vihan, you're overcounting Vihan. Vihan, are you splitting into 4 triangles? Are you finding the area of the 4 triangles and then adding the square boxes? take your time, methodically do one by one. One triangle first find out and then multiply it by 4. And then add the square boxes.
Am I correct now?
Unfortunately, no. You are undercounting now. What to do? Shreyang, tell me, how did you count? I think you've tried enough. Tell me, how did you count?
I think
yeah. See, if I give you too many and give you the answer right, then there's no way to think for you. So that's why don't get frustrated. Try it again. Vishwa, are you over? See, I want only the red color pieces. Vishwa. Yeah, Srimitran, that's right. So I'll give you clues. Okay. For those of you who didn't get yet, this is a triangle, right? Find the area of this triangle. Okay. Once you find the area of one triangle, you can multiply it by 4 because they are congruent. So that gives you the area of the triangles, correct? And once you get the area of the triangles, the next thing that you can do is, how many boxes are there? This is one box. This is one another box. These are all one area. This is one box. This is one another box. Cut it as much as possible so as to simplify. This is one another box, one another box. How many boxes are there you need to find out? These are one square unit boxes because 1 times 1 is 1. The area of each of that is 1. So you have to add them. The yellow and the violet, you're going to add them together. Shreyank, is that right?
No.
Which one did you miss?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Kripa, not really. Vishwa, correct. You got it.
Priya auntie, am I correct?
Priya, am I
Shreyank,
correct?
you got it, Shreyank. You got it.
Priya auntie, am I correct?
Vihan, tell me, how are you calculating, Vihan? Describe.
There were 9 boxes, and then the area, of each square.
Wait.
was
9 boxes. Let me put it. Let me please write down. I want to write down everything. Okay. Then for triangle, how did you do?
I did. Since the square's area was 1, that means the others were 1 too. So 1, 1, 1, 1. It's 4.
Wait.
So
What is the area of one triangle?
Area of a triangle is 1.
How did you get that? I said you make it into a square for 2 triangles, right? What is the area of that square? That's it. Area of that square will give you 2 triangles. What is the area of that square? And now you do. I don't know. Huh?
Is 9. 9 divided by 2 cannot be 9. 9 is I know.
Okay, Vihan, I think you got it. You're going to do and send. Did you get it? I think so. The 2 triangles, you can put them together, form a square as well. Aradhya, you tell me, ma, what are you doing? Can you explain? Aradhya, I'm not happy with the answer.
Am I correct now?
No. Let's see where you missed, okay? I'm going to help each of you now, okay? What I'm saying is, you all counted the violet boxes, okay? Each box was 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, 3, 4, 5, then what? 6, 7, then you have 8, 9 boxes are there, 9 square units, it's here, okay? Then I'm coming to the rectangle. How do you find the area of the rectangle? What is this? This is the height of the rectangle. See, wherever your 90 degrees is there, right angle is there, that's the height of the rectangle. 2 units. What is the base of the rectangle? 2 units. Unfortunately, this is not the area. Multiplying this doesn't give you the area. You have to divide by 2, I said. Because it's half of the rectangle that it makes, or the square it makes. So, each triangle has 2 square units. Vihan, did you get it?
Am I correct now?
Yes. Now it will be 8 square units. When you add them together, this is of the triangle, 4 triangles, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now when you add them together, you have 17 square units, which is the area of the shaded figure. My God, that was long, isn't it? This is the last part. Huh?
Way too long.
Way too long. Yes, I know. You know what? I'm going to make it. It's not hard, okay? You have to think. That's the problem, okay? Okay, how about this? But you know what, guys? If you do this exercise, you'll be great with areas, okay? Before you go to your 4th grade. See, this is the only part I missed telling you. I really wanted to go over this. Let's see this one. Let's go over this nicely today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You know what? This one is a little trickier. Okay. Everything is 1 unit long. I already told you there is no change on that. Okay. Everything is 1 unit long here. Everybody has to answer this. Okay. I explained to you the last time.
Okay.
Everything is 1 unit long. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? From here to here, I'm going to draw a line. Okay. I don't want to draw a line in the same color. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, I want you to tell me the blue color area. I want you to tell me the blue color area. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. I'm not happy with the diagram, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Sorry, guys. The same diagram I'm drawing, okay? I want you to nicely understand and do. That's why I'm redrawing. This is so much better. So I want you to find the red area, the whole of the red area. But you have to visualize it in a completely different way. You cannot find the red area. Okay, directly you cannot cut and find. But this time it's a little different. Let me show you another clue. How about this? Can you find out what is the black area? Can you find out what is the black area? Would you be able to find the black area?
Yes, because, yeah.
You can find the black area. And can you find the area of this one? The triangles? You know the base and the height, right? You know the base and the height, right? Do you know how to find the triangle areas? Basically, I want the red area. I really want the red area, but I can't find the red area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the entire area, subtract the two triangles. What is the area of each triangle? What is the area of each triangle? That will become a rectangle. If you put them together, if you put the two triangles together, it will become a rectangle. So that black rectangle area you can subtract from the big square area. Vihan, did you answer already?
Yes, Priya, am I correct?
I'm so confused now. Hold on.
Miss Priya, your screen is dim.
1 second, guys. Something is wrong.
Am I correct? I just feel it. I just do it off. Am I correct?
I don't know, guys. I'm checking. There is some problem with the answer. Vihan, did you already answer?
Yep.
Ayo, Shreyank, how did you get that answer, Shreyank?
I can explain. Miss, your screen is dark.
Okay. Do the others see it dark?
No.
What is going on, Aradhya?
Check your brightness scale. It might be low.
Guys, we'll have to click the buttons. It said
Wow,
that.
Vishwa, you got it.
It said that since your screen has stripes on it, it has dimmed.
Okay. Kripa, that's not right, ma.
Aru,
I'm waiting for your answer.
Wait, so am I right or am I wrong?
Ananya, no. Shreyank, no, you did not. Okay. Adya, that is right.
Am I correct? I'm going to ask you for
Aru, there is a minor mistake, Aru. Vishwa, correct. Vihan, no, not really. Kripa, I'll check once more, Kripa. Not really, Kripa. Akshara, very near, but that's not right. Guys, are you all finding the big square areas? Subtract the two triangles.
That was last time's answer. Do you want the answer for the red one or the black one or both?
Red one.
Red one, okay.
Red one. Find the big square area. Subtract the two triangles.
The answer that you saw was the answer for last time's question.
What is it, ma?
The answer was for last time's question.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah. 17, right, ma? Akshara, sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Send it to me. Akshara, nice to see you that you're talking. Aradhya, what did you get? Can I get your answers, guys? I'm waiting.
I can't see anything. Priya, I didn't get it. Can you explain, please? Dark.
Okay, sure.
Priya.
Okay, ask your mom to help you, Aradhya.
Okay.
Now, what is the area of the big square? Who is going to tell me the area of the big square?
25.
36.
36. See, guys, 1 minute you have to sit and calculate. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. 25 square units. You got it?
So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So what is the area? See, when I bring this triangle near this, right, meaning to this side, right, that becomes this rectangle. Right? When the two triangles are combined, that becomes this rectangle which I need to subtract. What is the area of that rectangle? What is the area of this rectangle?
10.
No. How it is 10? 5 times? What is the area of this rectangle?
5.
5 times?
1.
5 times 1, which is 5 units square. Now what is the area of the red color part? Subtract both. 20 units square.
20.
Ananya, what happened, Ananya? Your head is spinning? Is your head spinning? You look like your head is spinning. Is it spinning really? No, if your head is spinning, you have to tell us. Did you understand or is still your head is spinning? Ananya, I'm asking you, Ananya. You have to tell me clearly.
I understand.
Oh, you understand. That's nice to know. Okay. Shreyang, good job. Okay, who else has the answer? I want to check. Vihan, did you understand now? Yeah.
My problem was that I kept counting the dots. I didn't count it.
Oh, okay.
Miss Priya, you said I was correct, right?
Yeah.
That's what my answer was.
Oh, I see. That threw you off. Okay. Hereafter, don't count the dots. Count the length. Okay. Good thoughts coming up. Very nice.
Priya, am I correct? I edited my answer for like the 5th time.
No, please. I already discussed it on the board. You should have seen the answer by now. Okay. So let's go ahead.
Miss Priya.
Yes, ma.
My screen got dark because
You had stripes on yours free.
Okay, ma. It's not happening everywhere, ma. Can you check the settings then?
Okay.
I want you to check the settings. Amma, is my screen getting dark? I want someone to add on too, because if you all see it dark, I need to change.
No, it's
It's
pretty
not dark.
It's not dark.
You're
It's
able
not
to see what
dark
is
anymore.
It's not dark.
It's not dark.
Yeah.
It's not dark anymore because the stripes are gone.
No, even if there are stripes, it should not be dark, Amma.
Every time there are stripes, it gets.
Is your
Dark, I
computer
don't know.
charging?
Okay,
Or
I'll
is
ask
it-
others when I do that. Okay, so let's do this. How about this? There's a triangle like this. There's a triangle like this. There's a triangle like this. Okay, this 15 inch, 21 inch. Okay, now this, I told you if it's not a right triangle, you should not. Why did I tell you like that? 10 inch. You see, for this triangle, right? What is the height? What is the height of this triangle? If I give this to you as 9 inch, what is the height of this triangle? Is it 10 or 9?
It will be 9. Then.
No, that is slanted. The height is always straight. Right angle to the base. See, base and height are at right angles always. Remember that. This is the base, means my height should be at a right angle. So which is my height? 10 or 9?
9.
9 is slanted. 10 is my height of the triangle even if it is outside. So what is the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle? We will finish the class in 5 minutes, but I want you to be cooperative. What is the area? What is the area of this triangle? You know, the area of a triangle is, how do you calculate it? Base times height divided by 2.
Base times height divided by 2.
Yes, base times height divided by 2.
Is it 5?
So first do the division and then do the multiplication. That makes it only small numbers.
6, 1. There's a remaining. I'm not correct. I answered.
Oh wow, Vihan. What Vihan? It is area. Is the units right? I feel sad when you go wrong with the units. The number is correct. That's right, Shreyank. Kripa correct, ma. Kripa correct. Anjali, that's not correct.
Wait, that was from the last answer.
Oh, Shreyank, that's correct.
Oh, then
Srimitran, where are we, Srimitran?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay, good. Okay, what I'm saying is,
why is it so big?
for the triangle, how do you find the area? If you think about it, right? Think about it like this. For the triangle, the height and its base should be at a right angle even if it is outside. Even if the height is outside, that's the height of the triangle. Okay? From the top vertex, you are going to fall down to the ground. That is your height. What is the height of this triangle, Srimitran?
10.
10. What is the base of this triangle?
15.
15. How do you find the area? Usually you multiply the base and the height for a rectangle. If I make it into a rectangle, that is correct. But I am asking you for a triangle. So you have to divide by 2. You got it because it's exactly divided by 2. So 15 times 10 divide by 2. Please don't do the multiplication and make big numbers. I don't want you to make big numbers. 10 by 2 is what? 5. So 15 times 5 is 75 inch square is the area of this triangle. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Anjali, did you understand now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to finish it now. Okay. I'm going to finish it now. Do you want to do one more problem or you're done?
Done.
I'm done.
Done. Yeah, it was long. It was long. I know. I know. See, I really wanted to get this to you because without it, I felt so bad. Oh my God, I didn't finish an important piece. You should know a triangle area basically, and you should know how to combine split figures. Okay, that is the nice part of the books, of these books, right? So that's why I extended the class. Because you all could not come next week, you're all saying. See, Adya, inch square, ma.
Yeah, sorry.
No, see, no problem at all. You should know that it is in
I
square.
forgot to put the square.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, now guys, so this will be our last class, right? For the year.
Yeah.
So we'll be starting with, immediately I don't want to start Beast Academy 4, okay? I have several things for you all for the summer, okay? If I don't know, no pressure, you're going to talk to your parents. I'm going to send out the calendar. Please tell them that I will send the summer calendar next week. Okay, so the class timings I will try to maintain the same. Okay, maintain similar class timings for next year, but summer I will send out the details. I will not jump into the Beast Academy books yet. Like last year, we'll prepare for the 4th grade. Okay, nice. Put the foundation for the 4th grade for the few weeks and then only I'll jump into the books. Any questions for me? And this will be our last class, but we will have a break of 2 weeks. You know what? Seriously enjoy the break. Safe travels to you all. If you're signing up for summer, sure we'll meet. Safe travels if you're traveling. Okay, if you're staying at home, enjoy the relaxed summer as well. But in the meantime, we'll meet. I am planning to have the classes meet back from the 2nd week of June. Okay, that I think it's likely I will start on. For your class, let's see. But the thing is, I'm not available on June 13th as well. Oh my gosh. Okay. I will start probably on June 14th for you. But basically the classes start on June 8th. Any questions you have? Okay. If you don't have any questions, we can log off. Vihan, I want to know about what is that you signed up for. Yeah.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye. I'll miss you all seeing for the next 2 weeks for sure. Bye.
Miss Priya.
Yes, I'm here.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. What did you sign up for? Tell me.
Miss Priya, so I signed up for the math contest it's supposed to be happening every season, so I